into the beginning. Look at it coming out. Down the bathroom, the extra project that I say that we had. She, old girl on her house done, and I got it. We gonna get it done. We gonna get it done. Next time you gonna see another flu. Look, I came back and patched all the patches this morning for the hallway. Oh yeah, we getting it in. We getting it in. Did something to the stove this morning about 4:30 this morning. I got up and couldn't sleep. And look at the stove. Look at the new hood vent. We got some work to do, but hey, it's coming along. How about you? How about you, baby? How about you? We out later.